Okay, so in this instance, what we want to do is we're moving forward with the whole idea of dealing with the enrollment manager and inputting building a template for a credential. In other words, making it where the people that are building the cards at a facility don't have to weed through and pick the right time zones, the right threat levels.
Ill-configured.
Right. So that's what this is about. If you read the manufacturer's definition, they say add as many credential templates as you think you might need before you start adding credentials. So, with that being said, in the application, through the configuration menu, velocity configuration, you'll see that we can go to credential templates. It says add a new template. So if we add a new template, it's really simple. Right now, as APS, you're seeing that this looks exactly like an add a credential window. So let's just say this one's going to be for staff. So you can automatically go and select that. Back on the general tab, where they're going to come to from the beginning, we can put a description in.
Let's do 6-6 M-F.
Okay, and that's really you guys' preference, and it makes sense. The IDF for APS at this point in time is always going to be number 2 card.
Right.
So we set that for them automatically. You guys at this point in time are using standard 26-bit weekend. So the only thing left is exactly in the limits. We want to give them whatever level you think you need.
Standard user 10.
And right now, without a foreseeable future of locking certain things down, probably putting 10 on everybody is fine, because if you're going to have 3,000 credentials in the system at any one time or more, if you think about the fact that maybe it's only going to be security personnel and the cards that are inside the Knox boxes for your first responders, and then maybe some other people, are you changing a third of the people's threat levels? Maybe not even that many.
In our organization, we generally work at 3 levels. Everyone, somebody who's in leadership, and the superintendent. So we're going to go with that same kind of theory as everyone's a 10. That gives us 10 levels to deal with that we'll probably only end up using 5 and 1 and 0.
Yeah, I agree. Okay, so
that's it.
We built a credential. Let's go ahead and say okay to this one, because I want to go ahead and show you how to modify one. So from the same place in the menu tree, if you want to edit an existing one, I had built this Aztec admin. It's probably not set the way you want it. Let's fix it. I don't know if you wanted the Aztec in there. You didn't put it in your staff. I do it for the layman that's trying to find something, but
that's fine for now.
Okay.
I don't see why not.
Now, the other thing that I did that I think, let's see, we can go
Level 10.
level 10, nothing in the options, and the function, I had to assign the correct door group, so you'd want to check that.
That's right. That's
Okay.
35 admin all.
Okay.
Okay. So is that simple to change the name or
And then
any
same
other
thing
piece?
here, if you get into one of these templates and you get on top of it and you do a right click, I believe you can delete it. There you go.
Or set as a default.
Set as a default, whatever you need to do. Okay. So that's that simple. So, excellent. So once we get into here,
That's how to create a template.